Hey there, this is James. I'm excited to let you know that NFT Collection Maker 2.0 launches on 20th of April 2022 at 10 p.m. Eastern. I got a quick walkthrough of NFT Collection Maker 2.0 coming up. Before that, check out this demo.
Okay, here we are inside the platform you can use with Mac or PC, and we'll see how fun and easy it is to make these great looking collections of generated art inside NFT Collection Maker. And you start by going to Create in the left panel, and we'll call this collection Demo B, hit Save, and the first thing you'll do is make the traits for the images its parts. And the first trait we'll make, hit Create, start with Background. Its default layer is 1, save it. The next trait will be Body, default layer 2, save. And the third trait will be Hair, default layer 3, and so on. And I'm going to go to Demo A to save time. It's already made, and this is what all the traits look like when they're finished. You can see all the layers and all the items that have been added to make the arts look so great. And you can add as many items as you like here. So let's check on the clothing preview window here and look, and these are the cool parts that you can add, and here you can define the rarity of the items you've added or chance of the items to be included in the image. And by default, it's 100 divided by the number of images, so you can see here this item appears in 3.85% in all the images in the collection. And of course, you can control how often you want certain items to appear by adjusting this fantastic handy slider. Now, in another item, a feature we haven't seen anywhere else, multi-images in each item. The same image with two parts, because some hair may not work with, say, the hoodie, so you can choose there, and also some more flexibility. Sometimes you don't want some items working with other items, so back to traits quickly here, open the hair preview. As an example, this beret here won't work with the hoodie I showed you, right? So you go to forbidden items here, and you add other items to not be generated in this image. And in this case, you can see here, black hoodie clothing, bathrobe, and a few other items. Super, super, super cool. The perfect image you envision. All right, now back to the NFT panel to see how to generate your previews, and wait till you see how quickly that happens with thousands of unique images being generated in almost no time. So I just will delete these previews here so I can regenerate and show you the magic. So watch this. Generate preview, we're making 3,000 images, hit go. Not even in 2 seconds. And you have 3,000 images generated. So now you can review your images, and maybe you have a couple you don't want to use. I have 2 that I don't want generated with the 3,000, so I click on disable on each image. And so I go back to generate preview again. I will add 2 more, which will replace the 2 disabled images, and the TTC technology makes sure they are completely unique. So see, I actually have 3,002 images with 2 disabled to keep me at 3,000 images. You go to the Fresh button, and here are your newly generated unique images. And here they all are by pushing all. Wow! 3,000 fantastic images to generate. Each one is unique. You just can't do that manually. And there you are.
All right, people. So here we are on the sales page of NFT Collection Maker 2.0. And version 1 was launched just 6 months ago. So there is an updated version. And there are a couple of things that are new with this new version. Now, in this new version, there are unlimited traits, deep rarity setting, as well as multi-image traits which are not available with any other NFT maker. Now, with this version 2.0, you generate massive crypto NFT art collections automatically with this new technology, TTC AI tech, and you have them ready for sale with as little effort as possible. Now, as you go through this sales page, you will find quite a number of testimonials from people who have used the beta version as well as the previous version. Version 2.0 automatically generates software verified unique artworks that you can sell. And this TTC AI technology does all the lifting and heavy lifting, and you can read through what it does. And if you don't know what crypto art NFT is, then go through this. It'll give you a better understanding as well as what NFT minting is all about. So with NFT Collection Maker 2.0, you as a non-artist can also get into the NFT niche as well. The sales page also has explanations about what this collectible NFT art business is all about in brief. And there are 100 examples of top NFTs that have been sold over the last 30 days. So you can go through this to get an idea about how lucrative this niche is. And there are some case studies as well that will show you how some of the other collections have done well, what they did to do well. So guys, what NFT Collection Maker 2.0 does is that it removes the pain that is involved in creating a collection of 100% unique pieces, as you saw. So NFT art collections are different from single art collections. And the second point is that NFT Collection Maker 2.0 also removes agencies from the equation. So you sell directly without this middleman. Now, the other pain point that NFT Art Collection Maker 2.0 has done is that it shows you where to host your entire collection of art images, which comes in the thousands for free. And they also create the NFT token contract on autopilot as well. Now, Andrew Darius, who is the creator of NFT Collection Maker 2.0, has created detailed step-by-step tutorial videos to make the process easy, and also the buy buttons. And they are providing you access pass to the secret alpha group. So guys, the founder's special deal comes in two versions. Version 1 is the one NFT art collection, and this is what you get is $37 one-time payment. Now, version 2 is the 5 NFT art collections, and this is what you get, and the price is just $47 one-time payment. And get this, guys, there is also a 30-day, no questions, money-back guarantee. And you get to follow Andrew Darius on Twitter to learn about NFT and the crypto space. And you also get to join his NFT Collection Maker Discord server as well. Now, there are 5 upsells, people. Upsell 1 is the Pro upgrade, going for $97 one time. Upsell 2 is the agency upgrade, going for $197. And there is also a downsell. Upsell 3 is the Motion NFT Maker, going for $37 one time. Upsell 4 is Motion NFT Maker Pro, going for $57 one time. And the final upsell is Motion NFT Maker Enterprise for $67 one time. And there you go, guys. I hope that quick review of NFT Collection Maker 2.0 has shown you the power of this software in boosting your business in the NFT space. Now, check out the link below and discover the bonuses that I have prepared especially for you when you pick up NFT Collection Maker 2.0 through my link. And if you haven't already, subscribe, click the bell icon and select all notifications. And I wish you great success with NFT Collection Maker 2.0.